All right, clear prep.
No one knows what's going on over there. It's just a disaster.
Can I get a clear prep? It started. I wouldn't fly it like that. This is not a video that I ever wanted to make. The video I wanted to make was us flying off into the wild blue yonder. So I don't know what's gonna happen. I got something that you're gonna wanna see. I got me here an email from a Mr. Bob, and it says hashtag save the 310. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are saving the 310. Yes, I know, it's been a while and everybody's asking me, what happened to the 310? Where's it going 310? Well, we got an email from a gentleman who watched this channel and he said, hey, I've got a way that we can save the 310, but you'll need to use your imagination a little bit. Because you see what we got going for us, a whole lot of new parts that we've bought for this airplane. We've bought all new tires, all new hoses, all new brakes, a whole bunch of stuff. Another very good used parts. There's enough stuff here that, you know, if we just pool our resources, we can make one heck of a 310. And that's where I'm gonna leave it until the next episode, which, if we close the deal by then, it will be coming to you from California. The complete other end of the country, but it'll be worth it big time. I mean, if you don't believe in miracles, you will after you see the next episode in the journey of Save the 310. Crazy, you thought that MiG jet was crazy? You've seen nothing yet. Save the 310, Jimmy. Save the 310, sacrifice everything. Steven Cameron is gonna have to be sold. Nope, not gonna do it. But I love this airplane so much. Yes, it's a little cantankerous in some turbulence. Yeah! Holy crap! Good Lord. And yes, the little switches underneath, one may or may not have decided not to be adjusted. You know, got loose on me one time. I only got 2 greens. That's not good. Oh, come on. Really?
New Orleans Tower, this is Lancair A261 Echo. I'm only showing 2 greens for the gear. Can I do a flyover and see if you can check? It'll be my right main gear.
But the guy that built this thing took 8,000 hours to build it, and it shows. Every line on it is perfect. The attention to detail that's on this build it far surpasses any production plane that I've ever been around. It is unreal. And I flew it all the way from Arizona back to Florida, and it cruised at, you know, without a tailwind, 185, 190 knots. With a tailwind, at one point I hit 282 knots. Daggone, that's cooking. I love you. I don't want to sell it. This is everybody's favorite. Can I get a clear prop? But I gotta sell it. I don't want to sell it, but I gotta sell it. The plans I have for you, if nobody buys it, we're updating the panel in this to full glass. We're gonna go top of the line on this bad boy. And we're gonna see if we can get a few more BTUs out of under the hood there. Maybe throw a constant speed prop on the front, get well over 200 knots out of this girl. What do you guys think? That would be fantastic. I would love that build. And Byron, if you're watching, I'm terribly sorry for keeping it outside. I know that its whole life it was inside, now I'm abusing it. But there's no hangars in Florida anywhere that I can find to put this thing in. So if you know of a hangar available in Central Florida with a solid surface runway, let me know. Shoot me an email down in the description below. Cameron is going up for sale. Man, that's painful. I love that airplane. Oh, Guido there looks like he's got a little mustache happening. That's funny. Yep, selling Guido too. Pains me It's a fantastic trainer. I've still got to get my commercial check ride, and I was planning on doing it in this. I still might. We don't know. We're just doing a couple small things to this and get it done. Paint right here. We're going to touch that paint up. Spot right there. We got to touch up. New tire still needs to get put on it. Everything else on the outside is going. It's got a new annual, so that's good to go. Oh, 3 greens. Hallelujah. All right. And I mean, honestly, this plane is fantastic for a trainer and you know, a light cross-country type vehicle. It says 6-seater. It's not. It's a 4-seater, and it will do 4 people, full fuel, take you here to there. Not very fast, but it'll go. And it's the most stable stinking airplane I've ever flown. Check this out. These controls have bungees on them, so you can't, look, trying to push down on it, and it comes back to neutral. Look at that. Other airplanes don't do that. They don't have little bungees on them to keep all the controls neutral. It's like a safety device. Hey, I'll take that landing. Love that airplane. That's gotta go too. Hashtag save the 310. This is so hard.
That's what she said.
I'm even selling Private Pyle, my escape vehicle. I just now got the stinking thing done. And the 50 cal ended up, we were gonna put it on the top, but I think we're gonna save it for a certain T6 airplane. Oh, crap. I might have to sell one of those. Jeez, this 310 is gonna take everything. We're gonna need to partner up with some people to save the 310, because it is happening. It's gonna be awesome. Motorcycles? This one, I don't even know. Huh. I wonder how long she's had that. We'll sell that one. We'll sell that one too. She won't notice. Shh. Save the 310. Last but not least is Pablo. Just needs some assembly required. Yes. Oh, it's been a minute since somebody's been inside here. This airplane, if I'm honest, that one was the one that I could have flown at home. Then we did take it apart. We did take a lot better care of taking that one apart than the 310. If I'm honest, and I'll share a secret with you, never did we think that it was gonna go back together. Not with Pablo. Our plan from the very beginning was to put this one back together. However, in order to save one, unfortunately, have to put this one on the market. I hope none of you buy this airplane either, but if you do, it'll go back together and it'll be a great airplane. But I hope you don't buy it. Pablo. It is a 1968 Aztec. No mice were in this one. The interior in it is lovely. Again, this needs some cleaning and it is ready to go. The avionics in it, I mean, not bad. They were new in, I think 1992 is when they were all put in, with very few hours on it since then. Everything worked and fired up as soon as we hit the switch and gave it the juice and found that secret switch underneath there somewhere. These props, yep, they still service those. We checked that out. This engine, every bit of that is still serviceable, and it has fuel injection, not the pressure carb thing that was on this thing that still is on that thing. Orange is good, that means chrome. We took a borescope on the inside of this engine. It was clean as a whistle, and as a bonus, that engine and that engine over there are sequential serial numbers. How crazy is that? All the lights, I think, worked. I'll have to double check that. I think all the lights worked and everything. Yeah, we can upgrade the panel. We can do all kinds of fun stuff with that panel. No one buy this airplane. When this thing gets in the air, it's worth about 150,000 bucks. You know, plus or minus, depending on what the actual time of those engines are and the avionics and where the market is in that point. I mean, we just got to put it back together. How hard could that be? Save the 310. We're going forward. We are going to save the 310. So we've also connected with a veteran organization to help veterans get from wherever they got to go to Walter Reed or to other places to get their special surgeries, special checkups, things like that. And because this airplane being a light twin, we're gonna use it to continue to help other people in their pilot journey, getting their twin rating with this airplane. All the information for all the merchandise is down below. Save the 310. We were on GoFundMe. That is still up and active, but we've upgraded to Give, Send, Go, so you can donate there. We've got big things in store. We are just getting started. I think the perfect buyer for Pablo here is somebody that's got some experience in the will it start world, because they're gonna have their work cut out for us. So, oh hey!
How about
Who we got? What's going on?
How about you, Jimmy? Good to see you, buddy.
Those of you that don't know, this here's Hank with Hamiltonville Farm. You can check out his YouTube channel. He's another guy that finds crazy old things in woods. He's got like a giant 3-wheeler monster truck thing.
Yeah.
And something on tracks, like a tank, but what? I don't even know. What is that thing?
It was a tracked auger machine. Gave us a big fit.
Like a post hole digger?
It was that, yeah.
Yeah,
It was it.
Still, it's pretty awesome. So I talked him into coming down, seeing if he wants to take a leap into the really expensive world of aviation. Now, you were in the Air Force, right?
I was. I'm retired Air Force. So I was an air battle manager, and I've got about 2,500 hours in the EHC.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, surveillance aircraft, command and control.
Okay.
Yeah, fun times. Yeah.
Didn't you say you flew in an F-15 a little bit?
I've got a couple hours in the back seat of an F-15. I do.
You want some time in a MiG-15?
Hey, if you're asking, I'm taking it.
That's right. That's right. Now I just got to learn how to fly.
That's right.
I mean, I've never even flown anything like that. So
they give you parachutes. It's all good. Yeah.
That's true. And this one has the operational ejection seats.
Oh, there you go. Pull the D-rings. You're good.
Yeah. That's so sketchy.
But I was looking. I didn't see any glow plugs over there. So.
Oh, we could add them.
Yeah. Can we add some?
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah.
I'm sure if you held the button long enough, those plugs would glow.
Yeah, that's right. So I always tell my sidekick Wiley over here. I always tell him, I'll be like, look, man, go get the ether, and we're gonna fire these glow plugs up, and we're gonna get on down the road with this stuff that we do.
The morning juice, man. Good morning. That's right. The wake up.
That's right, man. It's good stuff, ain't it?
I'm gonna hop off here and start my hardcore negotiation to see if we can't get them to take this project on.
Our rate's cheap.
Your rate's cheap. That's right. That's right. Well, I like it already.
Yeah, that's right.
Man. Hey, Hank.
Appreciate you gonna let me come down, man.
Yeah. Pleasure. Always meeting some other infamous people dealing with rather questionable machinery.
That's right.
His stuff is in the description down below. Go check him out. It's pretty awesome. A lot of you probably already know who he is, so I would like to know your favorite video of his in the comments below. Let us know. Hey, we got a box. I honestly don't remember ordering anything else, getting anything, so pocket knife, right? Come on. Rule number 1, never leave home without a pocket knife. Jimmy's World Fire Oak Distillery. I don't even know what's happening right now, but it says distillery, and knowing that this is in the background, we're gonna need it. Ooh. Okay, oh, now we're talking. Some Texas bourbon. Yes. Not gonna drink any because I'm driving, but oh my gosh, smell that. That smells amazing. That is fantastic. Thank you, Fire Oak Distillery. This is a good day. I mean, it's a sad day because we're selling everything to save the 310, but it's a good day because we got new stuff. Ooh. Well, only one thing left to do. Let's make a phone call. Yeah, hey Dick. Yeah, it's Jimmy. Let's do it. All right, I'll book an airplane ticket. Yep, see you then. Save the 310. I forgot to mention that last week was Sun and Fun, and I got to meet so many of you. It was awesome. Thank you everybody for coming out, shaking hands, telling me your stories. It was truly a blessing and an honor to be able to meet so many of you. And in that, you guys found out firsthand that we are saving the 310. And look, $145 was donated toward saving the 310 because it's happening. Everybody who donates is going to get a Save the 310 sticker, and We'll put your name on the airplane somewhere to let the whole world know that you saved the 310. We also have some very interesting other merchandise that we're gonna see if we can't make out of the airplane itself. And for the #1 person who donates the single largest donation, we're gonna put their name right on the nose. Just, it's gonna say in spirit of, and then whoever's name out there donates the single biggest donation, gonna go right on the front. So everybody can know, everywhere this plane goes, that it's your airplane. Everybody here kicked in, chipped in, your hard-earned money, and we are doing this together. So thank you so much. Let's head to California and save the 310.